The yuan is now headed for its longest winning streak in more than a decade, even as China's economy slows and policymakers traditionally preferred a weaker currency to support the exporters. The shift highlights how China's move up the technology value chain is now reducing its dependence on low-cost manufacturing and potentially rewriting the country's long-standing currency strategy. Take a look at this next report for more.
China's currency strategy appears to be shifting as the global investment boom reshapes the country's export engine. The yuan is headed for a sixth straight quarter of gains against the dollar, its longest winning streak since 2013. China has traditionally preferred a weaker currency to support exports and economic growth. But policymakers are showing greater comfort with yuan strength because China's export mix is changing rapidly. Instead of relying heavily on low-cost goods like garments, furniture and household products, China is increasingly exporting higher-value AI-linked products such as semiconductors, servers and advanced computing hardware. In April, nearly half of export growth reportedly came from semiconductors and computers, while traditional export categories remained flat or declined. The changing structure of China's trade is also influencing exchange rate policy. Imports have surged this year as China buys more chips and semiconductor equipment, with inbound shipments growing faster than exports. Analysts say a stronger yuan lowers import costs and helps China secure critical supplies more cheaply. China's trade surplus has expanded dramatically over the last decade, from roughly $260 billion in 2013 to nearly $1.2 trillion last year, even as the yuan weakened past the 7 per dollar mark during periods of economic stress. But this time, despite slowing domestic demand and a fragile property market, the People's Bank of China has maintained strong daily currency fixings, signaling that Beijing may now see strategic advantages in a firmer yuan. The yuan's rally is also drawing bullish forecasts from global banks and investors. Goldman Sachs estimates the currency is more than 20% undervalued and expects it to strengthen to around 6.5 per dollar over the next year. Other strategists predict even stronger gains over the longer term. A stronger yuan could help China manage imported inflation, especially as geopolitical tensions push up global energy prices. It also supports Beijing's broader goal of promoting the currency as a stronger international currency in trade, investment and central bank reserves. However, risks remain. A rapidly appreciating yuan could squeeze exporter margins, hurt employment in highly competitive industries, and add pressure to an economy already facing weak consumer demand and a prolonged property slowdown. Even so, analysts say China's growing dominance in advanced manufacturing is reducing its dependence on a weak exchange rate to stay competitive globally. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.